Good morning, all of you. I myself, Kabir, IG, Jonto, Manipur. To my right, Sri Ningshan Wongam, IPS, IG Intelligence. To my left, Sri Maharabam Pradeep Singh, IPS, DIG Range. We welcome all of you to today's media briefing. In another significant step towards restoring peace and security in Manipur, many operations were conducted in the early hours of 26 July 2025 by security forces in the valley districts, namely Imphal West, Imphal East, Taubal, Kakching, and Bisnupur, acting on specific intelligence about a large cache of arms, ammunition, and warlike materials concealed at various locations. Coordinated operations were launched simultaneously at multiple sites in the peripheral and suspected areas of these valley districts: Imphal East, Imphal West, Taubal, Kakching, and Bisnupur. The joint teams comprising the Manipur Police, CRPF, BSF, Army, Assam Rifle together recovered the following arms, ammunition, explosives, and other warlike stores: 3 number of AK series rifles, 1 number of M16 rifle, 1 number of INSAS LMG, 5 number of INSAS rifle, 4 number of self-loading rifles, 7 number of 303 rifles, 20 number of pistols, 4 number of carbine, 8 number of different types of rifles, 20 number of single bore gun, 3 number of anti-riot gun, 1 number of lethal gun, 3 number of double barrel gun, 6 number of bolt action gun, 3 number of 2-inch mortar, 1 number of local made pipe gun. Altogether, the total number of arms recovered are 90. Reportedly, some of the recovered arms were looted from our police armory that we have recovered. Along with that, the joint teams were able to recover 21 number of grenade, 399 number of 7.62 live ammunitions, 228 number of 5.56 live ammunitions, 35 number of 303 live ammunitions, 23 number of 9mm ammunitions, 6 number of .32 mm ammunitions, 1 number of high explosive mortar cell, 9 number of tube launching, and 6 number of different types of improvised explosive device, that's IEDs. Altogether, 728 number of different types of ammunitions, grenades, and HE mortar cell and IEDs were. Along with that, the joint teams were able to recover 21 numbers of different types of assorted magazines and 24 number of wireless sets. These continued intelligence-led operations represent a major accomplishment for the Manipur Police and security forces in their continued mission to restore peace, uphold public order, and safeguard the lives and properties of citizens. The Manipur Police reaffirms its commitment to fostering a peaceful and secure Manipur. The public is urged to cooperate with the Manipur Police and security forces and to promptly report any suspicious activity or information related to illegal arms to the nearest police station or to the control room. Senior police officials remain in close coordination with all the security stakeholders to ensure that such operations continue in a sustained and focused manner, aimed at restoring normalcy, maintaining public order, and safeguarding the lives and property of all the citizens. Thank you. Jai Hind. Arms and ammunition, those recovered, the photos and videos, now we will share with your the WhatsApp group which we are together.